Rain. Everyone has seen rain falling from the sky, but every person does not know how it is caused. Surfaces of water are constantly giving out what is called water vapor. This water vapor pervades the entire atmosphere. The accumulations of water vapor are called clouds. The clouds are moved either and thither by currents of wind, and if, in courses of these movements, any cloud comes in contact with a current of cold air, it is condensed into water and falls down upon the earth as rain. In India, the rains are heaviest during the months of July and August. During the winter and the summer seasons, the Indian Ocean gives out a vast quantity of water vapor which forms masses of clouds. Towards the middle of June or the beginning of July, a northeastern wind drives them inland. These clouds, not being able to cross the mountains and plateaus, condense into water and fall in torrents. These are called monsoons. The monsoons burst generally by the end of June. Sometimes they come earlier and sometimes later. In our part of the country, tanks, canals, and rivers become filled with water with the commencement of the rainy season. Rivers overflow their banks on both sides, inundating the country around. For 3 or 4 months, the whole land remains under water 5 or 6 feet deep. Only the houses of rich people appear above, looking like so many islets. Roads become impassable and people have to go from one place to another in boats and from one house to another in boats or in rafts made of plantain trees. Nay, in some places it becomes necessary to erect causeways with handhold leading from hut to hut. Prices of foodstuffs go up, and milk and some other articles of food can be had only with great difficulty. Rain does immense good to crops. Indeed, in some parts of the country, failure of rain in proper time causes a scarcity of food, and in some famine. India is a purely agriculture country, and here agriculture chiefly depends upon rain. Equally beneficial is its effect on plants. They could not thrive if there were no rain. Rain is also beneficial to us in another way. It moderates the excess of heat in this country and thus greatly influences its climate. Excessive rain, however, causes great inconvenience. It makes the atmosphere damp and often gives rise to many diseases. प्लीज़ लिसन, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू। कृपया मेरे चैनल को पसंद करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।